then my blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Dog just sees the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xeno, so we're back with another reaction, man. Today we're here with a new video. This is actually part 2. We'll react to part 1 if y'all want us to react to part 1. But this one is called Caught on Ring Doorbell. First of all, I fucking hate these type of videos, especially when it's like those creepy ones and shit. Cause why is it that doorbell cameras are fucking creepy as fuck for some reason?
Cause they have some trash ass quality.
Yeah, dude, it's just that for some reason they somehow they say they upgrade, but once you check the footage, cheeks.
Half the time, like all the cameras they use, it's always by the same company, and it's like
yeah. I was about to say I wouldn't let it, bro, but yeah, bro, real shit. Doorbell cameras though. Shout outs to whoever first invented them or whatever and shit, because it's helped a lot of people and it's caught a lot of shit, bro. Yeah. Ever since door cameras have been like a thing, dude. I don't know if y'all been on TikTok, but since this Halloween just passed, the amount of videos that I've seen where they call kids finessing fucking candy, bro, dude, that shit's funny as fuck, bro. We definitely gotta find a compilation about that. But yeah, without further ado, this one's called Always Verify Before Opening the Door. It's facts, you know what I'm saying? Do not ever open the door before
I never open the door. Like,
I say, dude, you don't know who the fuck's behind that shit.
I would check the little people.
Hey, who is it? It's me, bro. Your cousin? Nah, fuck that.
Who the fuck? I don't got cousins.
Nah, but yeah, without further ado, if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into this. Let's get it.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Alright. I feel like he's literally turning around for a reason, bro. Chicago too, bro.
A man with a hoodie rings somebody's doorbell after midnight.
Like, I don't know, bro. I wonder what goes through these motherfuckers' heads, you know what I'm saying?
To use my stove?
Be aware, man came to my house after midnight asking to use my stove. Don't know the person at all. Dude, that's crazy, bro. Oh, hell no. Trying to use your stove. Man, you better go use someone else's, bitch. Who is it? I like how that you could talk to the cameras, too.
Yeah.
That's a fucking big thing that they had. That's good.
Who is it?
Can I use your stove?
No, you cannot.
Can you use my phone?
Thank you.
Get lost.
Motherfucker.
Anchorage, Alaska. I don't know what this lady wants. It's 12:30 a.m.
She's like, why
walking around
oh,
barefoot,
she's definitely
no
drunk or something.
I mean, this is Alaska.
I
know it's cold out there this time of year. I don't know what she's up to.
Nah, she's probably drunk or something, thinking that's her house. I don't know. She looks like she's wasted.
She got no shoes.
Look at her.
She seems to think this is funny.
Hi. It's just me. I'm sorry. My feet are starting to hurt again. It's been a long way. Probably look different now, but I'm excited to see you.
What the fuck?
Get lost.
What the fuck? Ah. Nah, that's scary though, bro. It's
Luckily,
like
that door was locked. She would have walked right in.
Yeah.
San Leandro, California. Look at this guy.
Oh my god, why man like?
This guy has all type of tattoos on his face.
Why is it always in Cali, bro?
He got his eyeball up.
I want your house.
You want my house? This guy definitely needs to put a shirt on. Nobody wants to see that. Do you think he's cool with his little fedora hat or something? Get lost.
No one came through the front door yet. I'm coming through the front door.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, come through the front door and
what
see
the
what
fuck?
happens,
He just
buddy.
pulled out a... Dude, he has pick locks,
Pulls out
bro.
some keys and tries to open the door. He's apparently out of his mind.
Like, yeah,
This
he's
definitely isn't his
definitely
house.
Yeah.
Wrong keys, buddy. Wrong key, buddy. Get lost.
Oh, hell no.
And I got this shit on Amazon. Shouldn't it open any door?
Right? It didn't work. I need to refund this bitch. Nah, that's scary as fuck, dude.
Bronx, New York.
Ooh, Bronx,
Yeah,
dude.
that lady that lives across the hall, she's stealing your packages. Yeah, it was her.
She saw the
Yeah.
camera too.
She said mine.
Got you on camera, lady.
You a dumbass bitch.
Hi.
You live right there, bro.
Being recorded.
That's crazy, bro. Like I sometimes I wonder the stupidity that goes through people's heads, bro.
Like, how do you see a camera and just be like, let me steal something real quick, bro?
This is mine now, you know? I'm stealing your shit. Nah, bro, you're getting smacked.
Another win for Ring camera. A creep hits the Ring camera and automatically surrenders.
What the fuck? He was hiding behind
Yeah,
that shit.
we got you on camera, buddy.
Steal a package.
San Leandro,
No,
California.
she's about to steal a chair or
Look
something.
at
Watch.
this lady.
Yeah.
She comes to someone's backyard and goes for their radio flyer. This really
Oh
pisses
my
me off.
god,
I
dude.
used to have a radio flyer when I was a kid.
No, the fact is that like motherfuckers are really out here like stealing shit like this, bro.
Yeah.
Like I don't know, bro. That's just sad to me, bro.
If some lady stole
And we're
my
not talking
radio
about
flyer,
homeless people,
I
bro.
would
This
be
is people that look
devastated.
like have money and shit. That's sad, bro.
Go buy your own radio flyer, lady.
Oh my god.
This makes me sick.
A little fart noise, bro.
Look at her, bro.
Get
Bitch,
lost.
put it in the ground. It has
Better not
wheels.
see you again.
Oh my god.
You know
I'm
she's
going-
stupid
oh,
as fuck, bro.
shit.
Chicago, Illinois.
Hey, that's where I was born.
Subscribers that just subscribed.
He's stealing
Can't
plants.
leave plants outside anymore.
No, you
Yeah,
can't. You can't
this
make
guy's
that up,
taking them
bro.
all.
Plants, bro. You're fucking up your life with
Charlotte,
plants.
North Carolina. Never know what's gonna happen late
I
night.
think they're lost.
Currently being recorded.
Oh,
Who's this person walking up to this
where do you
house?
get that one that says you're currently being recorded?
Just the ring. The ring.
Yeah, they're fucking.
There's some that have that feature. You could disable it and enable it.
Nah, I'm having
appears
that
to
shit
be
on,
after
so these
midnight.
fuckers know.
Hey, you're
No
being
homeowner
recorded.
doesn't know this lady.
We got guns in this
Looks
bitch.
like a
you know
man
what I
is in
mean?
the background with a hoodie on. This looks real sus.
Right?
Look at her leg. It's all
Or
shaking. She
tweaking.
looks nervous. Kind of tweaky. She definitely looks dusty.
Oh, that's funny as fuck.
Mimi!
Me? Me who?
Who the hell
Identify
you?
yourself.
Get lost.
Man,
I don't know you, lady.
Got a whole
You
shotgun.
look
in
dusty.
this
Who's that guy creeping in the background?
bitch, right?
Meanwhile, at Anchorage, this
Man
guy
came out of
walks
the
into a
lake. Or...
business. He has a big pickaxe in his hand. He automatically goes for the camera.
Coffee
He
shop.
tries to break
Attempted
inside.
breaking.
Long
Coffee
Beach,
shop.
California. Some lady with a neon yellow shirt on is walking around with her like she's trying to get a survey signed, but she looks like she needs to go get lost.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Something crazy.
I'm sorry, but I'm
She's
drop
on.
kicking somebody that tries to pull some shit like that on me, bro.
Is that a dance she's doing? I don't know what's going on.
No, she's
with this
definitely
lady.
on something though, because she can't stay still.
The homeowner knocks on the window. This homeowner's not having it. She comes outside and confronts her.
No, why? What the fuck?
I'm staying inside, bro. Safe and protected.
If I'm coming outside, I got either got a gun or a knife on me, bro.
Nah.
Get out of here! Go, 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 go.
Oh, fuck
Meanwhile,
that.
San Leandro, this guy, with no shirt on, is ringing people's bells again late night. This is a whole different day. It's
Is
like
this
he
the
goes
same
out and
dude?
does this every night.
It looks different, huh?
Right? It did.
Yeah,
It does.
be on the lookout for this guy.
Look
Looks
at him,
like
look at
he's
the
up to
camera,
no
bro.
good. Always keep those doors locked.
Is it?
This guy looks like a creep. Get lost.
I don't know, but it's just fucking sad and creepy, bro.
Meanwhile, in Chicago, can't leave plants
No
outside.
fucking plans,
Yeah,
bro.
Chicago, what's
This
up
guy's
with y'all,
cleaning
bro?
up.
Y'all need plants or something,
He's
bro?
been stealing plants all day and all night.
They're gonna die out with the snow anyways, bro.
Bronx, New York. This ratchet Rapunzel.
He's probably not
is
even
going
stealing
around
it for the
stealing
plants. Probably
packages.
like a potch or something.
Oh, hell no, bro.
I never seen so much weave in
She
my
even
life.
looked at it like, yeah, let's go.
Get lost.
Bum.
Steals package.
That's fucking
Hi.
funny. Meanwhile,
Currently being recorded.
Still?
Meanwhile, Charlotte, this girl or whatever is outside still tweaking with her hoodie on, looking like she's up to something.
oh my
I
god,
don't
dude.
like the looks of this girl.
Hello? Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Nobody's here for you, lady. Get lost.
That's
I don't
like,
ever want to see you creeping
What the
around my
hell?
house
What
with
do
your
you mean, like
hoodie
separate
on
ways?
again.
right, why is he fucking?
Yeah, I'm gonna be on the lookout for you too.
And then she hits it right.
He
That's the
goes
stupidest
right, she
fucking
goes
thing.
left. Yeah, they was up to something. Yeah, they look real suspicious. Yeah. Meanwhile, in Chicago,
Again?
he's getting all the plants. in
Is this the same
neighborhood.
dude? It's the
He's
same
plant
dude,
guy.
bro.
If you need plants and flowers, you go see him because he has it all
Is
for
this
the low.
motherfucker like reselling the plants or
This
something?
guy's
I think
a
he probably
creep.
is, bro.
Don't buy any
I
plants
mean,
from
those
this
motherfuckers
guy.
go for a lot.
He steals them.
For sure, those colors.
There's no fucking way, bro.
Get lost. Can't even leave plants outside anymore. New episode
That's
coming
crazy, bro.
tomorrow. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe if you
I
haven't
know the end
already.
of it. That's pretty quick. Oh, it's
We got a lot of videos like this.
He has
Oh,
a
there he
shopping
goes.
cart, bro. He has a shopping cart full of flowers. He's gonna steal those too.
right. You left the other two.
Why
Bro,
not just take all
everything.
of them, bro?
Yeah.
You're already fucking risking everything, bro.
Doorbell News Crime Watch.
Oh,
He's like, they can keep them.
right. I'll still be nice. I'll resell it to them, then come back and steal it again. You know what I'm saying? So
You know.
I don't know, man. It's a lot of shit, bro. Like, I don't know what be going through some people's heads, bro. It's crazy and shit. Stay off of drugs. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't lead to nothing good, bro. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of that. What y'all thought about that? Let us know down below. Also, let us know what y'all would do if this ever happened to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Cause first of all I'm saying is I'm having a weapon on me, so that's if you're trying to break in, it's gonna be the last time. But yeah, let us know down in the comments what you guys would do and suggest some videos you guys want us to try to. And we'll see you next time. Peace out.